Welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to register and verify FBS account. To register an FBS account is very easy. All you have to do is to download the app from Play Store or App Store. And another option is to go to their website, which is fbs.com. Let me open my browser. As you can see, we are on fbs.com. So all you have to do is to click on Open Account. And here you will see the option to enter your email and your full name. Yes, trading registration, as you can see. So here, let me enter my email. Here's my email. So now let me enter my full name. Okay, now working. Okay, after clicking on it, we will be given a temporal password. So this is the temporal password that I was given. So now I'm being asked to create a new password, as to choose the password that I'm going to use. So let me copy this one first. Copy. Then let me now create my new password. So now I've entered the password that I want to use. So let me click on create password. The password has been created and I think the account is ready. So this is the next option. We send to your confirmation email, that is to my email here. So what I have to do now is go to my Gmail and then check for the email they sent for me. Here is the email. To confirm the email, I'll just click copy the link, open the link in new tab. Let me open the link in new tab. So now let's go to the tab. Here is it. So that's it. Your email has been successfully confirmed. So the account is now ready. So let's click on proceed. Okay, now I'm being asked to verify my account. So I can get verified now, or if you don't have your documents ready, I can click on later. Let me start the verification process. Click on verify or get verified. So in the next page, you'll be asked to choose where you are coming from or where you are residing. So here, I'm not a US resident, so I'll just choose non-US resident. But if I'm a US resident, I'll choose the US resident, but I'm not. So I'll now click on agree and continue. So you have to choose your country from here. My country is Nigeria. It has been automatically selected. So if your country is not Nigeria, click on this drop down arrow and choose the correct country. So now you have to choose the document that you're going to use to verify the account. So here I did use non-doc verification. So they said I should use my BVN. And this one is very fast. Then this one is my national ID. So you can use this or this. So here they said I should upload driver's license, ID card or passport. In this video, I'll be using my voter's card. So I'll just click on ID card and then click on next. So here said I should get ready to upload my ID card. So here I'll just click on upload the front side. So I'll click on only this time, and then my phone is showing me two cameras here. So I don't know, one of them is video and one of them is picture. So let me choose this one and see. Okay, this one is picture. So now I'll take the picture of my voter's card here. Now I've snapped the front. Now I'll choose the option to upload the back side. Then I'll choose the camera option again. This one is the camera. I think the second one is video. So let me snap the back side. So that is it. I'll click on this check here. As you can see, it has been successfully uploaded, and I'll click on continue. So It's loading. So in the next page, said I should get my camera ready, that I'm going to take a selfie. So now, so you have to click on continue, because as I'm making the film, I'm in a well-lit area, like they said. Find a well-lit place. So I'm currently there. I'll just click on continue and then allow camera access, and I'll click continue. So here I'll choose allow this time. Click on allow, and then let me position my face in the square. So it's capturing. I said I should move my face this way. I should move my face to feel this green things there. So lift it. So I see the way I'm doing it. So that's the verification process. So let's wait for it. Okay, the check is complete. The ID check is in progress, as you can see. So after a few minutes of waiting, I received this message from FBS, and they said verification is complete. So it doesn't take much time to verify the account. So now let me go back to the website. So as you can see, it's saying full verification completed. So this is the dashboard and this is the account, as you can see. So here is the account details, as you can use to sign into MT5 or MT4. That is how to register and verify FBS accounts. If you are still finding it difficult to verify your account, feel free to contact me or drop your question in the comment section. I'll be glad and happy to help you. Please, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.